Toyota has given the Vios, its best-selling car, its latest set of upgrades. A glossy black front grille, 3-tier LED headlight, and daytime running lights for G variant, which also gets 16-inch alloy wheels and LED rear combination lights.
The Vios is truly an upgrade. It looks a lot better, and because of the change in the front fascia, because of the new LED light. So we think that, and we believe that anyone who gets attracted to it and purchases it would be leveling up in terms of their drive by owning the Vios.
Other G upgrades include smart entry and push start, paddle shifters, as well as drive modes Eco and Sport for the G CVT variant, and back camera. The G, E, and XLE variants all get LED fog lamps too. They also come with SRS airbags, anti-lock braking system with electronic brake distribution plus brake assist, vehicle stability control, and hill start assist control. Buyers also get the option to choose to have 3 to 7 SRS airbags for some variants. Meanwhile, Toyota Motor Philippines offers 12 Vios variants to meet all possible need or budget. From the base MT model priced at 671,000 pesos, all the way up to the G CVT priced at 1,071,000 pesos for the white pearl or 1,056,000 pesos for the ones in other special colors.
Being a locally assembled vehicle is already in itself helping drive the economy ever since, not only during this pandemic, but whatever vehicle or for each vehicle that we are able to sell would mean we're helping thousands of team members and their families. Buying Filipino-made products would be your share in reviving the economy again, and hopefully we can recover sooner than what we are anticipating or expecting.